Okay, actually, here we are in the dashboard. We're going to make um, a new post, which is going to generate a gallery. Add new. I'm going to go ahead and give it a title, whatever the name of the photo shoot might be. Go for it. Working down this right side column, format standard, leave that. Categories, give it a couple of categories, make it easier for people to find your stuff. You can change out which one's going to be the primary category. It's not terribly important. Tags, you could put something like Portland, Oregon graffiti, Portland, Oregon street art, Northwest, whatever sort of vague something that a user on Google might be trying to find, not necessarily somebody in your site. Set featured image. We're going to go ahead and grab just an image here. I'm just going to do this for the sake of going for it. Shipping container. Alt text. Be sure to put something in your alt text section right here. Set featured image. Save the draft before moving on. Edit with Elementor. That's going to take you from the dashboard to where we're going to modify the post in Elementor. We're going to add a file, which is the template. I revised the full width template. Insert that. Yes. Choose an image for this. I just think for the sake of consistency, use the same thing again. You really don't need to, but there you go. Give a little description here. That goes there. We're going to go ahead and add images to your gallery. Add images. This one, I put some alt text in these already, just for the sake of this demo. I think there was one on this one. We'll get rid of that image. Who else do we want to? We'll throw that in there. Portland street art, that works. Portland graffiti, that one's already got. Tag in there, that's super. Go ahead and create the new gallery. Insert the gallery. And there it is. That's as easy as it gets. Lightbox, leave this on yes. I took the white, or I inserted a white background, so it doesn't have that gray, so you can see through it anymore. So this is way better. Ordering default or random, that's up to you. That's where you change that. Link to the media file, go ahead and leave that there. And go ahead and publish. At this point, we're going to jump back to the WordPress dashboard inside of the post that we're still creating. We're not quite done with that yet. Be sure to update before moving on. There you go. So this is going to generate the title for the gallery. I took out the section where we had the redundant title to add with the Elementor box like we had previously. So that's going to be a little easier. Update, and then we're going to jump over to see how it looks. Jump over to Chrome, go to your galleries. We're going to refresh this, and there's the one that we just made. Okay, so there's your new gallery, and this is coming up here now, whereas before it was like stuffed into the description. This is going to make it a little easier for your user to figure out what's going on. Go ahead and click on that gallery, and there you go. Got a little gap in between here. Got your full width gallery rolling on down. This is what I was talking about, the light box. I fixed this so that now this doesn't show what's behind the page anymore. These controls will allow you to flip through the gallery, X out of there, and you're back at your gallery page. There it is. Inside of 5 minutes, we just made a new gallery. And then, of course, we can go back to galleries And here's that. Do a little inspect and go ahead and toggle that to mobile. Got a lot less random space around the edges. It looks a lot better. I think this looks better in here too. And then again, it doesn't have it's mobile, but it doesn't have the see-through background to the other part of the site. Where is that option? To this. Oh, and sideways. There you go. Looks a lot better. Okay. Have fun adding galleries to your site. 6 minutes.